Guys, why I am crying? Because did you know about this one? You know about this? Sorry guys. If I will tell this, you won't support me or support me. Just let me explain what just happened. Did you know about this? If you get in here, you can't get in there. Look. So guys, sorry for this. This is my fault. This is my fault. If you want to support me, if you don't, just don't. Bye. Sorry. Sorry for the lying to you guys. If you can support me, please support me. Sorry for that. I'm very sorry for doing that. Sorry. Guys, can't get in here. This is very sad. And this is my fault. If you want to support me, please support me. If you don't support me, that's okay. Because we are poor. And I am in the Philippines. If you want to add me, just add me. This is my name. This is my name, guys. Please like and subscribe. Bye.